Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. After I released my Thiruverkadu Karumariamman Alankaram video, lot of you have come back inquiring about this particular Gauri idol which I had used in my video, and you all wanted to buy it. So I just thought I'll make a video for this just in case you all wanted to buy it. And just to let you know, this idol was actually not suitable for puja, because if I turn it at the back, this is just like any of the idols you get for a wall hanging. Okay, it is completely hollow as you can see here. Okay, and that is why it was not suitable. And though people claim that this is actually bronze, you can see that it is almost brass in color, right? It is not bronze in color. Like usually bronze will have so many other materials, so the color is not going to be exactly gold. It is going to be slightly reddish or a slightly different color. So for that reason, we thought we'll get a custom made idol for you just in the same way, except for that it is going to be solid at the back side. And that is why we got this beautiful bronze idol made. Okay, and this is from a verified maker, with whom we have contacted, and we know that he has been doing very quality products across many shops, and through him we got it made. And if I turn this one at the back side, you can see it is completely solid. Okay, it is not a hollow one. Like for example, this is hollow. Okay, and over here this is completely solid. So it is this idol which is up for sale for you all, just in case if you want to buy it. I don't know whether you're able to make out, but this one is actually bronze. Like you can make out the difference itself and the fine finishing. I will be showing the close-up also in a minute. But the face is also slightly changed because this is broader and this looks much prettier than this one. Okay. And as you can see, this particular idol has got a very fine finish. Like if you look at all these carvings and all, it is super fine. And this has got beautiful hair and all those things. Okay. And this particular idol is a 5-inch tall, and it weighs about 870 grams. And the cost for this idol is 5,500 rupees. So in case if you also want to buy this idol, then please do not miss to send me a WhatsApp message on this particular number, and I'll get back to you. And please note that there is going to be a delay of 3 weeks from the date of payment to ship this particular idol to you. So please note that this is only a sample piece and we don't have ready pieces right now. So as and when you guys start placing the order, and that is when we will start making this idol, and it is going to take some time to get the idol from there to me, and then I will be shipping it to you all. So that is the reason it's going to take at least 3 weeks of time. Now having said this particular idol can either be used as a Gauri idol, or you can also use this as an Yellamma idol. That is, if you can just put a star which is made out of a gold color foil or a gold paper, then you can also transform her into Yellamma, because even for Yellamma we only keep a face, right? And many of you are inquiring whether there is Renuka Yellamma brass idol available with you. So for all those people, it is very, very difficult for you to get this Yellamma brass statue. So for that reason, you can always use this kind of a Panchaloha idol also. Okay. And all you will have to do is just fix the star at the back side. Now let me just show you a close-up of this, and I will also show you on how to decorate this in the same video, just in case if you buy it, many of you had got a doubt on how do we decorate it and all. And just to let you know, the sari and the jewelry that I'm going to use in this video, I'm not selling it right now, but I do have plans of starting and selling these items sometime in the next year, that is in January or February. So for now, you're only going to get the idol, and later whenever I open it for taking orders for the jewelry and saris and all, then you can start placing the orders for that. And for this particular idol, we even thought of giving it a round finish, just like what we find in many other idols also. In the idols, the backside is not going to be like a straight line, okay? It is going to have curves. So we even thought about doing that for the back finish, but unfortunately, none of the makers were ready to do it. So that is why it has been done flat over here, and this is a solid idol. It is not hollow. So inside it is solid. It is not just a plate which is being covered over here. Okay, so that in that way, if you look at it, Panchaloha solid idols are more preferable for puja when compared to the brass idols. And the reason why we are having this particular curve at the backside is because we need stability for this idol, and without this support, the idol is not going to be sturdy enough to stand on its own. So now let me just show you on how I do alankaram for this idol. For the blouse, I'm going to use this kind of a border which comes along with my silk dresses. And all I'm going to do is fold it in this way, okay? I'm just going to bring both the sides together and make it look like a V shape in this way. And I'm just going to put up in here. I had shown this in my Mariamma video also, but because not many of them would have watched the complete video, that's why I'm just showing it over here. And once you have pinned it like this, just place it over here. Make sure that you're not covering the ears of the idol, and just pin it at the back side. So once you have pinned it like this, then you are going to need a very small size sari for this. It is 4 inches in height, okay? And this is the sari that I'm going to use. And this will have, the 4 threads, 2 threads in the center and 1 thread at the back side. We are not going to need the center threads. We are only going to need the threads which is given at each sides. So take the sari like this and just tie it over here in this way. So this is how the dress is going to fit, okay? Then I'm just going to put a hair. So for this hair, I've just put a rubber band over here rather than putting the entire hair, because it will start spreading from here and it is not going to look nice. Now let me just show you the close-up of this particular alankaram so that you can also enjoy and decide whether you want to purchase this idol. And this is how the idol is going to look like after you do the alankaram. And as I said, by putting this type of a sari also, this idol is going to look just like a Yellamma, okay? So that way you can as well use this idol for Yellamma or for a Gauri. Or even you can use it for Mariamma also. Usually in the Mariamma temples, there will be one big idol and below that there is going to be a smaller idol at her feet. So for that purpose also, you should be able to use this idol. So just in case if you all want to purchase this idol, then you will have to send me a WhatsApp message on this particular number and I will be getting back to you. So please note that for this particular idol, there is going to be a 3 weeks of delay in delivering it to you from the date of payment. So if you have paid it today, then you are going to get the idol only after 3 weeks from today, okay? So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.